the euro pound and okay, this is, I'm happy that we're doing the euro pound because this is something, I think there is a good lesson here. Take a look at this here. You can tell that the euro is very weak with regards to the pound. I mean, the high of the day was around 88. It closed the day around 87.12, pretty much at the low of the day. And now, if I'm looking at this, my bias with the euro. Okay, what's happening? Okay, hold on a second. Alright, good. Okay. If you look at this here, you can see that on Friday, the high of the day was 88. It closed the day around 87.12. It is a big major sell signal as far as the euro pound goes, and it shows you that the euro is very weak with regards to the pound, and that the pound is actually much more stronger than the euro. If you go back and, as you recall, look at the euro Swiss, it's the upside down. The euro is much more stronger than the Swiss, but it's still in such a sideways, going nowhere kind of pattern. So we have identified that the euro is weak with regards to the pound and with regards to the Swiss, but we have seen also that the Swiss is also weak. It's actually weaker than the euro. So in this case, if you want to take a trade, if the euro is the common denominator, Andrew, okay, so you want to be taking it versus the pound rather than taking it versus the Swiss, because with the Swiss they are both weak. The euro is actually slightly stronger than the Swiss. So if I'm going to look at either the choice between the euro pound and the euro pound and the euro Swiss, I'd be rather taking the euro pound on the short side rather than dealing with the euro Swiss. Okay, so in this case I have a structure point now to the upside, which is the 87.40. Okay, so it closed the week at 87.12, only 20 pips from this point. So that is going to be my buying point and my structure long point, okay, and my stop. On the short side, I'm going to short it. I'll find an entry to go short from the intraday. I have my momentum is to the downside. I'm looking for further capitulation, so I'm going to short it below the 87 handle. So I'm going to go short below 87, and if I go short below 87, I'm going to put my stop above the 87.23, which is my prior structure, and my structure short point is still the 86.61, which is below this price point. My buy point is the 87.40, and my structure long point is the 87.40, and my long stop is the 87.40. Okay, so let's wrap this. So I'm going to buy the euro pound only if it gets above 87.40. It is my structure points, my long point, and my stop. On the short side, I'm going to go short below the 87, and my structure short is the 61, and my stop in this case is going to be the 87.23. Okay, I'm going to give it about 60 pip stops, about 23 pips on the short side. Okay, that is the euro pound.